Good day, this is Sheila Ardimanarig, CCS Intern of Parole and Probation Office. The Parole and Probation Office is a government agency responsible for supervising individuals who are released from prison on parole or sentenced to probation. Law enforcement agencies and community organizations to monitor behavior, provide guidance, and offer access to rehabilitation programs such as counseling, education, and employment assistance. By promoting accountability and rehabilitation, the Parole and Probation Office plays a crucial role in maintaining public safety and supporting the transition of individuals into law-abiding citizens. So this is our office. This is Ma'am Janet B. Pavia, Ma'am Sir Israel Almasco, and government internship program, which are Ma'am Ronaldine and Ma'am Donnie. So this is the first page of our web application that we developed. We can log in our Google account for user verification. We need internet to run this application so that it can work properly. So what we need to do here is to just input the client's information and the interviewer information, and we can click the start assessment button. So in the segment section, we just need to answer each radio button, and once we click next, it will highlight red and you won't proceed to another page. You can also use the sidebar. So we So once we are done answering all the questions, this is the result of our answer. So you can see here is level details and other informations required programs. This is the mandatory, and this is other rehabilitation programs that I need to take. You can also input here some notes and save this and download the PDF report. So the start the assessment button won't download or start another assessment if the user don't click this button. So once you click this, it will generate a PDF. And this is now the PDF template created. It's not totally the same as the original, but this is the closest one you can create. So my lesson is to always have backup files for program code. One of the most important technical lessons I learned during my internship is to always maintain backup files for my program code. Having backup copies saved me time and effort and reinforced the importance of being proactive and organized when handling digital work. There were instances where unexpected errors or system crashes caused significant delays. Second is to keep going. Challenges and setbacks are inevitable in any work environment. During my internship, I encountered bugs I couldn't solve immediately, tight deadlines, and unfamiliar tools. However, I learned that persistence is key. Pushing through difficult moments and continuing to work steadily helped me develop both patience and problem-solving skills. Lastly is to celebrate success. Taking time to acknowledge small victories made a big difference in my motivation. Whether it was completing a feature, solving a tricky bug, or receiving positive feedback, celebrating those moments helped me stay inspired. It reminded me that progress, no matter how small, is worth recognizing and build confidence over time. So for my conclusion, this internship has been a meaningful experience filled with hands-on learning, personal growth, and valuable insights. The lessons I've gained, like the importance of preparation, perseverance, and positivity, have not only enhanced my technical skills, but also shaped my approach to challenges. As I move forward in my career, I will carry these lessons with me, knowing that every effort counts and every experience contributes to my journey as a future professional.